Put garlic powder 1 tablespoon, carom seeds 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, dry coriander seeds 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, dry fenugreek leaves 1 tablespoon, tamarind pulp half cup, and mix all these ingredients. Now add chili flakes 1 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon, soya sauce 1 tablespoon, and mix it well. Make a smooth thick batter. Now add lemon juice and mix. Add fish pieces one by one and coat it with mixture. Cover it with cling sheet for 30 minutes. Remove cling sheet, you will see fish has released water. Now add 2 tablespoon corn flour, half cup gram flour, 2 tablespoon yogurt and coat it well. Don't add water as the batter is smooth enough. Don't leave the fish for too long or it will get way too soft. Heat 2 cups of oil for deep frying in a wok. First of all, drop sliced lemon in hot oil. It will increase aroma and taste of fish. Drop fish pieces one by one. Don't overfill. Flip over so that they are equally golden on both sides. When the fish is evenly golden all over, remove and drain on paper towel. Fish is ready.